Welcome to a quick video tutorial on how to use MODALIZER DICOM Converter. MODALIZER Plus is a powerful DICOM converter capable of DICOMizing images, videos, and PDF documents. Start a new procedure from the New Patient or Worklist buttons. If you use the Modality Worklist feature, you can start the procedure from here. Make sure to subscribe so you'll get a notification when we upload a video on how to set your Worklist server. I will demonstrate the rest of the workflow from New Patient. Click the New Patient button on the main screen. Fill in the patient's details and click Next. MODALIZER Plus recognizes automatically connected imaging and scanning devices. Using the drop-down menu in the Image Report panel's top left corner, you can select the device from which you want to capture images or scan documents. Drag and drop images, videos, or PDFs into the MODALIZER Plus window as part of the DICOM converting procedure. You can also attach media by clicking Add Files. Click Next. In the conversion window, you can choose the compression quality. To create a multi-frame DICOM object, select Create one multi-frame file. Note that all the images in a multi-frame object must be of the same type and of the same size. On the bottom panel in the conversion window, you can choose between the three options: Convert and save locally, Export DICOM dir, and Convert and send, if you want to convert and send to PACS. Note that whatever option is chosen will be the default for future procedures. You can see the DICOMized file by opening up the DICOM file and dragging it onto the app. By clicking Ctrl-H, you can view the DICOM tags. You can also customize the content of the DICOM files by using DICOM templates. In the settings, scroll down all the way to Override DICOM attributes. For example, I will add the institute name. Click New and then choose the location and name of the file. Start writing the tag name in the name bar and suggestions will appear. Choose the relevant option, then Add. Add a value name, in this case the institute name. From now on, the institution name will be added to every DICOMized file.